Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Lippie Box. Now we all know I don't really care for the name of this box, but I do like the contents of the box. Generally speaking, I don't remember how much this costs. It'll be on the screen. Let's see, there's a giveaway going on. I have decided that if you guys could help me hit 3K before the end of June, I will add 4 winners to the bunch instead of just the 3. So that's a little incentive if you guys would like to help me get there faster. I would really love to add a 4th winner. I have plenty of stuff to do so. Get to sharing, but please, again, just keep in mind, share me with people that would be interested. I don't just want random people coming over. I would like them to be interested in my content, but anyway, there's other information down below if you are interested, and let's get into Lippie Box. So I open it up and this is what I see. Oh, all right, so it does tell you what's in the box, but it doesn't tell you how much they cost. I don't know if that's new or not. I don't ever remember. But the first thing I am pulling out is Lick Your Lips Cotton Candy. Ooh, I am so tempted to rip that seal and sniff it. Oh my goodness. But I won't, because I have too many lip moisturizers open right now, so I will hold on to that. Ooh, I am excited. The next thing I am pulling out is Strawberry Red Licorice Lipgloss. Ooh, that sounds fun. Oh, it's also sealed. I don't want to break the seal, but I'm totally keeping it. The next thing I am pulling out is a Magical Star Honey and Brown Sugar Lip Scrub. That's cool. I will probably just pass this along though. I have so many lip scrubs that I need to get used. I have so many lip scrubs that I've needed to get used. I've actually been using them as body scrubs. Oh, and then here's another one. Oh, I almost didn't see this. Okay, and then the last thing I am pulling out is another lip balm, 540 West Main Basil and Lime Lemonade Signature Lip Balm. And again, it has a seal, so I'm not going to open it, but that is fun. I am super happy with this box, you guys. I got a lip gloss, 2 lip balms, and then, what else did I get? Oh, and a lip scrub that I will just pass along to one of you guys and to one of the giveaways. But overall, I really like this box, and I do think it's worth it. I don't remember exactly how much it is. It's around 20 or under 20. I think it's worth it, although these probably aren't worth $20. I mean, if I'm being logical about it, these items are probably not worth $20, but I don't know. I like the box. So that's just my personal opinion, and the box makes me happy, so therefore it's worth it. All right, you guys, that was a super short video. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it took you out of your space for a little while, and you were able to just sit down and enjoy unboxing this with me, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye. Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. I feel like Drogon's about to fall off there, so keep an eye on him. Today I have for you Pinup in a Pack, and I feel like I've been getting this like back to back to back. I really do. So I really hope this isn't the one I just opened like last week. But anyway, it is a Pinup inspired box. You get, the website says 3 to 5 items. I've never seen any more than 3 items in the box since I've been getting it. Generally, my favorite thing in the box are the sunglasses, if it has sunglasses in it. There are 2 tiers that I remember. You have the Pinup inspired, and then you have the box that's actually vintage, which is more expensive. That's not something I'm interested in, so I don't go for the vintage items. I just go for the vintage or pinup inspired items. Oh, those are cute. Okay, so I open it up. And if I didn't say, I don't know how much this box costs. It'll be on the screen. Again, it's one of those boxes that's around $20 or under $20. The first thing I'm pulling out are the sunglasses. Those are cute. I don't have anything like this. I like those. Oh, and it doesn't come with prices or anything like that. Let's see, the next thing I am pulling out is a bamboo bracelet. That is cute. I don't know if I'll get any use out of it, but it's cute. I love the sunglasses though. The next thing I am pulling out is a vintage fan. I'll totally keep that. Generally, in the summertime, we do a lot of outdoor activities, and this would be really nice to have. I like it. Nice. And there are actually 4 items in this box, so I am eating my words. This is the first time there's been more than 3 items in a box. And then the last thing I am pulling out are these little clip-on earrings. I do not have pierced ears. I'm not opposed to clip-on earrings. I do. Okay, let me rephrase that. My ears were pierced a really, really long time ago. Most of the holes have closed up just because I don't have the will or the want to wear earrings on a regular basis. Those are cute. I will actually keep those. I can't, hold on. And they match the sunglasses. Oh, I think this is the first box where wait, what is everything? I will keep everything. I will even keep this. I don't know how often I'll wear it, but I'll definitely keep it. Let's see. There we go. I'm digging it. Nice. I really like those. Cute. All right, you guys. So that was Pinup in a pack, and I am actually super thrilled with this box. I am. If they would give me more clip-on earrings, I would probably keep them, especially if they're like gaudy and freaky and what's the word I'm looking for? Unique like that. Heck yeah, I would keep them. All right, so that was Pinup in a pack. I am super happy with this box. I might pass this along, but I don't know. I mean, no harm in keeping it. I may wear it. I love this though. This is my jam. I don't know how well that's gonna hold up. Like if you shove it in a backpack or something, because it's not super, super sturdy, but it'll last the summer at least. Might get tore up by the end of the summer, but anyway, that has been up in a pack, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it took you out of your space, your mind frame, whatever you got going on, and I hope you just were able to sit down and enjoy this video and this unboxing with me. Have a great day. Bye.